Hi everyone, my name is Victor Santos. I'm a Brazilian-American picture book author and linguist. I'm the author of Dela, Ljudi, which has been published in Slovenian in partnership with UNESCO in the context of the United Nations International Decade of Indigenous Languages, which goes from 2022 to 2032. I was originally born in Brazil and now I live in the United States. My wife is Ukrainian and we raise two trilingual and multicultural children. So one of the things that I wanted to do with this book is show my own kids that the languages they speak are something that adds to who they are, that makes them richer in terms of their personality, in terms of their knowledge and interpretation of the world. And I wanted them to be proud of their languages. So this book is basically a celebration of linguistic and cultural diversity. But I also wanted other children to understand that linguistic diversity is something that makes the whole world better, because each language is associated with a culture, and each culture has a bunch of knowledge and traditions and customs that have been passed on from parents to their kids for generations, hundreds of years, sometimes thousands of years. And when a language dies, all of that knowledge usually dies with it. So I wanted the book to be fun, and that's one of the reasons why it is in the format of a riddle, where each page gives you a clue about what the theme of the book is, and you don't really find out until the very last page. And I wanted kids to understand and respect other languages and other cultures. Many of you may not know that we have approximately 7,000 languages in the world right now, but half of those are expected to die by the end of the century. And if this happens, if we don't take actions to value, respect, and revitalize those languages, make sure they have the right to exist and those cultures to continue to exist, we are all going to lose, not only the people who speak those languages. So I want to invite you to get to know the book a little bit better, and feel free to follow me on Instagram, let me know your thoughts, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.